What up, YouTube? It's your boy Chief OG Valley back again with a quick one. There it is right there. This shit's spilling back here. I did get those little plastic covers, tail shaft, but it still was dripping a little drop. You know what I mean? So I just put this. See it right there. But you know what I mean? 305 stock with the 350. Got the Monte back there getting some sun. I clean all this shit up. Hella tall. Got some 26s on it. You see right here where I messed it all up with the cherry picker. Well, there it is. Shit out. Letting the engine bay get some sun. I get to wash all this shit. There's the hood right there. But yeah, this shit's complete. I take nothing off, belts, nothing. Shit ready to throw in the next car. But as I mentioned, I'm gonna throw a little turbo setup right here. Throw a new carb, a performance carb, new intake manifold. I might go in and might well do, you know what I mean, cam, lifters, a little bit of internals, just go through the insides. I just know this motor is really good. Shit never failed on me. I used to run this bitch from LA to Bakersfield for 2 months straight every weekend. And shit never gave me problems. You know what I mean? It's like 2-hour ride, an hour and a half, so we're good. Just getting ready for the swap, getting it cleaned up inside. Might do some new motor mounts while I'm at it, but you know what I'm saying? Here's the exhaust and then the drive shaft. Put some gloves on it. That's it. Got the radiator back there, headers, cross member. I mean, simple. It's all there. I didn't take it apart. Just thought I'd give you guys a quick scope, just to have it on video, just so I can look at it later on. 305, 350. Cheap body. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Peace.